up, Fast World? Jason here with the Dad Wagon. So today's a big day. Going to drop the Jeep off up at RPM Denver. Glenn and the guys are going to get to work on the new mods. Really excited about that. Just to give you guys a little bit of background, if you're new to the channel or you're new to the Dad Wagon. The Dad Wagon is a 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. So the Jeep Trackhawk is a Jeep Grand Cherokee with some interior upgrades. Nothing too fancy. It's about on par with the SRT Jeep Grand Cherokee. The engine and drivetrain is the really sweet spot with the Trackhawk. So you get the Hellcat 6.2 liter V8 with the 2.4 liter IHI supercharger on top. And you also get an all-wheel drive drivetrain. So that's all four wheels all the time, which is phenomenal. We did some really simple bolt-ons last March, so a little over a year ago now. So the upgrades that we've done to the Jeep since I've owned it, right now it's sitting on an ATI 10% overdrive lower pulley. It's got a Hellraiser 2.72 inch upper pulley. It has the FI force inductions, Interchiller's blanket, supercharger blanket, and thermal spacers. Has a JLT intake and JLT catch can, and it has some exhaust modifications, all carb legal, of course. It's got Demon rotors on all four corners and upgraded pads. It's got pads that significantly reduced the brake dust, which is great. It's also got all-season Continental DWS06 tires on it. That might be it. With that setup, we made 840 wheel horsepower with a 1.2 correction factor. Here in Colorado, it made 700 uncorrected, for those of you that want to talk about uncorrected numbers. And it runs really consistently, 10.7s. I've run a 10.6 up here. Down in Texas, it went 10.3 at 133. So next up, now we're driving it to drop it off at RPM so Glenn and the guys can get working on it. This round we're going with a Kong ported blower, ported snout, billet bearing plate. We're gonna go to a 2.65 upper pulley. We've got a really cool unicorn part. We've got 1-inch FI Interchiller thermal spacers coming in. They did a one run of those. We managed to pick up a few sets of those for the shop. The Jeep's gonna get one set. They've also got titanium bolts for the spacers. Really excited about that. Additionally, we're gonna be doing dual JMS booster pumps. We're also doing full Bwoody suspension setup underneath the Jeep to help it stay planted. We're gonna do front and rear diff braces. We're also doing the Eibach SE springs that are specifically made for the Trackhawk and the additional weight. We're doing Gforce rear axles. Hopefully we don't snap an axle. We're doing Kooks 2-inch headers. We've gotten those ceramic coated. They're heat treated on the inside as well with a piston top coating. Thermal barrier, which I'm really excited about. So I think that's about it on the modifications. Really excited to see how she does. I'm expecting to see 920 to 950 at the wheels after this round of modifications. But we'll see what happens, and I'll keep you guys updated.
1, 2, 3.
All right, Fast World, I think that's gonna be about a wrap for this video today. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you thought this video was helpful, cool, stupid, whatever. Leave a comment, let me know. Thanks for watching, really appreciate you guys. We'll see you next time.